Ah, look at that. Make it jiggle. Jiggle it just a little bit. Make it move. Jiggle it. We're doing one last stroll down one of our favorite streets in Beijing. Nanluoguxiang is one of the oldest hutongs with more than 740 years of history. It's a very charming alley for shopping and great street food. And then there's this.
The moment of truth.
Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, before we get to that, let's start with more pleasant things. And because Maria's always chasing furry animals, let's look at this cute little piggy and his adorable friends.
Can I have one?
No, you can't have one.
Can I have one, please?
Piggies start out real cute and small, and then they grow to be like 400 pounds. Moving on. I don't know what I was doing there, but this is one of the coolest sneaker stores that we've seen. It's more like a museum, and the displays were super enticing, making it hard not to want to take everything home. Joe, if you were here, you would love this store, man. Well, I don't know. Is he like yours?
He likes everything. As long as it looks cool.
I like those.
Look at that gun. Which one? That is very good.
That's good? Did you get
hoisin sauce?
I mean, is it hoisin sauce? Oh, it is?
Tastes like chicken though.
It tastes like chicken?
Oh man. For Thanksgiving I want duck.
So this would be my second time trying duck, because the first time was a big old fail.
Why?
Because my wife hijacked my birthday and took me to this place and they served me raw duck with blood as its sauce. And that was not awesome. So I'm hoping this will redeem duck for me.
Good.
It's really nice. It's very close to. It's really nice. It's very close to chicken, but the sauce and the cucumber, and I think that there's onions mixed in with the lettuce, which makes it really, really good. And the skin is slightly crispy, and that hoisin sauce over it just goes so well together.
Sure.
How much? 30. Oh man. So deep fried scorpions. I'm okay with deep fried scorpions.
I mean, you can pick other stuff. They have like spiders and.
I'm good with just the scorpions, the small ones.
What do you think they're gonna taste like?
French fries?
Let's hope so. Because you know you can get this one.
Something about the seahorse, but that's just like too weird.
Let me see. Go for it, man.
Wait, I gotta like muster up some courage because it just. taste like French fries. It does.
They'll have the other one.
I swear it tastes like French fries. Alright. Not bad. You should do that last one. I swear it tastes like French fries.
You swear?
Yeah.
Y esto pica.
No.
I don't know.
It tastes like French fries, trust me. I mean, would he lie? Would you lie? Ah, see, good. Scorpion still has its stinger. Just don't think about it. Just go for it.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
You don't have to really. Just go for it.
Oh wait, that's the.
No, don't take it off. Don't take it. Don't take. No, don't. Ah.
Yeah.
Pull it off. Pull it off.
It's not bad.
I told you. It tastes like French fries.
That's it. That's all.
There you go.
I'm a little traumatized.
It's because you think of the legs, you think of the stinger, but you know, once you get it in your mouth, it's like, well, I have to chew on it now.
I
But it was
the
good.
stinger. Like, hell no, I wasn't gonna eat that.
It wasn't gonna do anything. It was really good, actually. I was quite surprised.
All right, let's have something else.
It was crunchy like a French fry, I swear.
Let's have another snack that is not a scorpion or an animal, a bug or anything. I need to chase that with ice cream or something, man. It wasn't bad. It's still like, right? What did you get?
I think it was like the strawberry one. I'm not too sure. I just pointed at the picture and the guy's like, okay.
It works. It works.
Just a little bit. Make it move, Jake. Alright.
There were people laughing. Oh wow, that's really soft. It's like biting into a sweet cloud. This is slightly different from a Japanese pancake. This is more souffle-ish.
Like foam.
Agua de coco.
Agua de coco es tritural.
Nobody's gonna get that, but
No.
It's coconut water. It's the salty kind.
Oh no, really?
Yeah. We say the salty kind because in Puerto Rico, coconut water is very, very sweet. So the other one's kind of
like coconut waters you buy at supermarket. Well, it depends where you get them because some can be like on the salty side, some can be on the sweet
I
side.
mean, it's not bad. It's good, and it's so hot that.
So, but it's like cool how they cut out like the coconut and they just leave you the flesh.
Yeah, and I love this.
Is it cool though? Like,
Huh?
is it cool or cold?
Nothing is cool here in Beijing. It's all like room temp.
Room temp.
But you know, it's coconut water this one. How am I gonna eat this?
Well, tell me the coconut flesh is at least sweet.
No caramel.
It's not. Yeah, I've had this before on Puerto Rico. There's actually a place in Puerto Rico. You go to this hotel, and they take a coconut and they like cut it open and they pour like all these liquors in it to make like a coconut drink. It's pretty cool. You guys should have it.
Los cocos.
Yeah, those cocos. Yeah, let me see how I try the flesh. This is gonna be an ugly bite too. Nice and soft. Yeah, it's like a young coconut.
What did you see?
No, I was just checking to see if they had the that little Gundam that I was looking for, but they didn't.
All right, moving on.
All right, move on. Do you like those?
Yeah, it's closed though. It's closed. How was those?
Yeah, Maria for some reason likes tin robots, like 1970s tin robots.
Yes.
I don't know where you got that from though.
Cartoons? I don't know.
Really, you think so? Because I remember, no, Joe gave me a tin robot once.
Which Joe?
Joe from Germany. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Joe from Germany
Okay.
gave me a tin robot for my birthday once, and you liked it so much. Remember that or not? It was like a wind-up tin robot.
I think so.
Yeah.
But it's been years since I've liked it. Anyways, we have one more thing to try. And I'm very excited about it. It's more ice cream.
More ice cream. There's this candy called White Rabbit, which is kind of popular here in China. And there's White Rabbit ice cream, but I'm not sure if it uses the actual like candy in it, or it's just flavored like the candy. It does taste like the candy. So I guess it's just the flavoring. Because you don't feel like any like chunks or anything like in there, so it's just flavoring. But it's good, I like it.
Good job. This is a good way to end the night.
Yeah. Alright guys, well on that note, let us know in the comments down below what local treats you found the most interesting, or the ones that you thought would be the most delicious.
I think it's been a pretty successful last day too.
Yeah.
We're leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, we're leaving tomorrow, so we decided to take a chill, take a stroll along the shopping street, and have some treats. Alright, well,
see you in the next one.
bye. Can't believe it's been exactly a year since we left Beijing. We can't help feeling thankful that we got to experience the city before everything that has happened. Now that we know what this city and country is like, we won't hesitate to come back once it's safe to travel again. We hope you guys enjoyed this travel series, and while we can't go abroad at the moment, do look forward to more local travel adventures in the future. Stay safe, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.